Well, maybe something a little more southern than your face.
Wow, really?
I mean, if you want to. You don't have to, but,
No. I mean, I just definitely did not expect
All of the tools
this.
used in this video are available on our website. Be sure to check them out there. Hopefully you enjoyed this
you
one.
want me
Have a great
to
day.
do
After that's done, we can get the clock all stood up. You can see what that's going to look like. But now we need to get those tabs all
I'd love
flush
to
trimmed.
see
So we're going to
it.
head over. It's time to start working on a new texture inlaid sign. And first, we're going to cut out the letters.
Okay, send it to this number right now.
We didn't get finished.
Okay, hold on
Got all
one
the finish put on the pieces, and while that's setting up, put some
Alright,
cork
yeah.
down on the CNC machine. Use some cutting again. So for 10 to 15 cents, you
Cool,
can
I
get a